This video contains details of suicidal thoughts and behavior. The Quint does not endorse any sentiments of heroism that the subjects in the video may attribute to the steps taken by the deceased. Viewer discretion is advised.
नाही शकत पुढच्या गोळ्याला समाजासाठी केलं तरी मग त्याचा जीव येणार नाही ना
सरकार ने तो उस समय एक 10 लाख रुपए आर्थिक मदद की थी बस, लेकिन वो 10 लाख से अपना भाई अपन को प्यारा था।
To what extent would you go for a cause that you believe in? Dying for a cause or giving up one's life for a cause is a phenomenon that has been perceived to be heroic historically across civilizations and cultures. This phenomenon that is seen to be sending across a message to those in power in the most extreme possible way has been stated as the cause of death for scores of Maratha protesters demanding reservation for the community. Though the demand for reservation by Marathas is said to be at least 4 decades old, it is in the past 1 decade that the demands gained significant momentum. Since 2014, the Maharashtra government has declared reservation thrice. While the reservation failed to stand legal scrutiny the first 2 times, the third one, declared by CM Shinde in January 2024, is also being challenged. But every time sentiments peaked and protests went out of hand, one common phenomenon which recurred was Maratha youth dying by suicide. One of the first such instances took place in July 2018 when 29-year-old Kaka Saheb Shinde from Gangapur in Maharashtra Sambhajinagar jumped into the Godavari river while protests for reservation were underway. The elder of the 2 sons from a farming family, Kaka Saheb was associated with reservation protests for years.
23 जुलाई 2018 में कायगा टोका यहाँ पे जो मराठा समाज ने जो जल समाधि का आंदोलन पुकारा था, तो 2 बजे तक आंदोलन चला, लेकिन वहाँ पे कोई नहीं आया था शासन का। सब पुल के 1 किलोमीटर इधर बैठे थे दूर। फिर 2 बजे के बाद सब उधर दौड़ने लगे और वो दौड़ते समय काका साहब के मन में क्या आया क्या नहीं, तो उसने समझ के लिए अपना कुर्बानी दी। मुझे पहले 10-15 मिनट कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, फिर मैंने कपड़े से पहचाना कि वह अपना भाई है।
The news of Kaka Saheb's death led to violent protests across the state. In the 1 week following Kaka Saheb's suicide, at least 4 more people were reported to have taken their lives and at least 3 others attempted to do so. Though the state government at the time didn't record an official figure, the Maratha Kranti Morcha, which was at the forefront of the protests at the time, put the figure at 37. Over the past 8 months, it's Manoj Zarangi Patil who has emerged to be the face of the Maratha movement. In October 2023, agitations turned violent at several places with houses of politicians and party offices being torched. This time too, a fresh spate of suicides followed. State government data showed that 19 people of the Maratha community ended their lives in a span of just 12 days in October last year, while leaving behind suicide notes demanding reservation. 19-year-old Suraj Zada from Patharwala village in Jalna district was one of them. On the morning of 22nd November, Suraj set himself ablaze. While Suraj died at the hospital 10 days later after suffering 70% burn injuries, his mother, Mangalbai Zadhav, who tried to save him, also suffered 35% burn injuries.
ज्या दिवशी घेतलं त्या दिवशी उठला आम्ही रोजच्या सारखं उठलो आम्ही आंघोळी ते झाल्या चहा टाकलं काय त्याच्या मनात आलं इकडची कॅन घेऊन चालला तर मी त्याला धरलं म्हणलं नको भाऊ घेऊ नको म्हणलं असं तेवढ्या 2 मिनिटात घेतलं त्यानं नंतर मी पळाले बाहेर माझ्या बाग तो पळाला या टाकीत उडी मारली त्यानं मनाचं नाही आहे मला पुढच्या शिक्षणासाठी पैसे आपल्याला अशी अडचण येते म्हणलं नाही भाऊ तुला काय करायचं तू एवढा आयट्या कर म्हणलं नंतर आपण पुढं पाहू.
Both families claim that they had no idea of either Kaka Sahib or Suraj having any other issues before their deaths. But while many question the rationale behind taking such an extreme step, for scores of Marathas, those who gave up their lives are seen as heroes. According to the data released by the National Crime Records Bureau, highest number of suicides for ideological reasons took place in Maharashtra in 2022. Out of the 174 such suicides recorded in the country, 84, which is almost half of them, were from Maharashtra and were attributed to ideological causes or hero worship. Sources closely associated with the ongoing Maratha movement said that for many who died by suicide, they themselves or their immediate families also faced issues like farm loans and agrarian distress, and believed that if reservation for the community had come earlier, their lives would be different. According to data, about 38% of farmer suicides from the country are reported from Maharashtra. In 2023 itself, over 1,000 farmers died by suicide just in 8 districts of Marathwada. 10% reservation was declared for the community in January this year. Zarange Patil is firm that the only way Marathas will have secure reservation is to identify all Marathas as Kunbi Marathas, a subsect that is entitled to reservation in the state under the OBC category.
मी पहिल्यापासून आव्हान केलेलं आहे, उग्र आंदोलन करू नका, आत्महत्या कोणीच करू नका. आपल्याला पोरं गरजेचं. जर पोरच मरायला लागले ते आरक्षण घेऊन काय करू? माझं कुटुंब बाजूला सारून मी समाजाला कुटुंब मानले. मग तुम्ही जर मरणार असाल तर त्या आरक्षणाचा उपयोग काय?
सरकार ने तो उस समय एक 10 लाख रुपए आर्थिक मदद की थी बस, लेकिन वो 10 लाख से अपना भाई अपन को प्यारा था. मराठा समाज को आरक्षण देकर यह आंदोलन ख़त्म होना चाहिए और मराठा समाज को परमानेंटली आरक्षण शासन ने देना चाहिए. ये हमारी और हमारे समाज की यही मांग है.
आरक्षण द्यायलाच पाहिजे. आता नाही त्यानं अशी जीव नाही घेतली पाहिजे. तरुण परत काय झालं त्याचं काहीच नव्हतं झालं नाही. एक तर आमचा जीव तर जीवाला आमचं हे झालं, पण त्याचं आयुष्य बरबाद झालं ना. त्याचं काय होतं, 19 वर्ष लागलं होतं.
The Quint is bringing you voices that really need to be heard. Support us, become a member of the Quint, and help us get you stories that matter.
एक अकेला हिंदुस्तान को बचाने वाला चुनाव है.